Father God, no matter how hard me try to live good with my brother, the man just know. I can't see the man nor hear from the man. The man come look for me that one time. I'ma tell him call me. I'll know me can't get a call. And brother same way now I love him. But I hope and pray save not give him going in a trouble. Not give himself problem. Him tell me say I am a banana in my plant. So I hope and pray say I am a banana in my plant. Cause me nah come bail nobody. Me nah come bail nobody. Me tired of now. If I get phone call I tell and people I tell me say that you in a problem. So Father God, may I beg you for guide and protect my little brother. Zine, guide and protect him. Please, may I beg you. May I call up the boy there for my money, you know. Yo, dog, when me I get my money? When me I get a piece of food? Now come tell me that bad man. Me I come for my thing. All my brother will come look for me and tell me say what me in a badness. And them something them alright, you know. In my next one too. John was there. Respect and love my brother, you know. Can't make him know me in a badness. Yes, fam. Me understand say you love and respect your brother, you know. But I hear life. Say you have to live it or you want to live it. You see? I remember the plan with me and you. It not over. So boss, how much money that me I go for? Just do the right thing, you know. Make sure you pay me good. Alright, fam. Cool, wheeling. Alright, boss, you know, say 40. So, Chaplain, you know what going on. My brother, I link with Dan, and him tell me, say, I am a banana in my plant. No star. I just tell you as a good brother still. I not tell you, say, we not deal with the brother. But make sure you put him on his yard there. Him a plan for go out pan. Robbery, him a plan for go out pan. Alright, bro, no say 40. Respect for your advice, sir. Respect for me know what go on. The youth there, no matter how much me talk to him, man, him nah hear. The youth tell me say, yeah man, banana in my plant, you know. Just so wait, man. Wait till me see him or wait until him call me, man. Cause one day, he must call me. Sure no star. I can't believe say man in a badness. I look on the badness say me not to. Look on the badness say me not to. The man gone parrot handkerchief gang. Sure no star. So guys, if you made it to the end of the video, remember says the next episode of Twin Brothers. So remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe for more. And people, Chaplain Comedy Entertainment need actors and actresses. So if you're interested to come in the film them, just link me up a zine. I'll link in the description. TikTok, Instagram. Yeah, man. Just shot me a DM. You see, a Chaplain, a mad thing. Look out for episode 3 next week, Sunday.